You like rugby? You seen it at the rugby? Yeah, good stuff. Where's you from? What school?
Hey, Mr. Rabbit.
How are you, Lincoln?
I've left school, I read at least 2 books a month.
We've all read something, haven't we? Yeah.
It's good, keeps your mind active. And you learn quite a lot. I was rubbish at school, but I've learned quite a lot from reading books.
You wish you started reading earlier?
Totally, yeah. Like, every time I went to school. Now that I wish I would have been good at school.
Did you teach healthy at school?
Loads. You only look back when you're probably my age now and you go, God, them teachers were great. You don't think that at the time. What's that? It does like that.
Yeah.
Everything in life goes fast, that's why you should enjoy every single day.
I'll try and get through this as best as I can. It's a bit of bedtime reading. It's fun, yeah. It's educational, isn't it? As well. You always learn a bit, don't you, when you're reading? So you always keep it up, yeah.
Do you do much reading, Matt?
There you go.
What's that?
Do you do much reading?
Yeah, I like
It's
reading.
pink. It's a boss.
I've got plenty to get through.
Yeah.